Today we will learn about logo commands. Logo is a simple computer language used for drawing basic shapes and performing arithmetic calculations. To perform any action, Logo uses a triangular shaped turtle that moves on the computer screen. It is just like a pen. We use commands to move a turtle around the screen and to draw different figures. These commands are known as primitives. Who are they? They are Professor Seymour Papert and Wally Forsythe. Logo stands for Logic-Oriented, Graphic-Oriented. Now let us understand how to start Logo. Click on the Start button. Select All Programs. Click on Microsoft Windows logo. Select Microsoft Windows logo option. The opening screen of MSW logo is displayed. The MSW logo screen is divided into two sections. Number 1, Main Screen. Number 2, Commander window. The Commander window is further divided into the Recall List box and the Command Input box. Look at the given MSW logo screen and its various buttons. In Commander window, there are a few buttons present on the right side. These buttons are called control buttons. They are: Number 1, Halt. This button is used to stop Logo from processing further. Number 2, Pause. It stops the program execution temporarily. Number 3, Step. This button removes errors one step at a time. Number 4, Execute. To run or execute the commands, press either the Execute button or Enter key. Number 5, Trace. This button is used to trace errors so that these can be removed from the program. Number 6, Status button. It displays the status of current settings in Logo. Number 7, Reset. This button is used to clear the Logo main screen and bring the turtle back to its home position. Students, can you tell me the name of screen where you draw pictures and where do you type commands in Logo? Students, let us learn recalling elementary Logo commands. You have already learned a few primitives in the previous class. Let us have a brief review of the commands or primitives of Logo. Command FT, full form forward. Purpose: FT primitive moves the turtle forward by a given number of steps. For example, type FT40, then enter. Command BK, full form backward. Purpose: BK primitive moves the turtle backward by a given number of steps. For example, type BK40, enter. Alright students, let us know more. To activate the eraser of the turtle, Pen Erase PE command is used. It erases a line when we define the line and the number of units to be erased. Once you give PE command, the FT and BK commands are given to erase the line in that direction. Let's try FT40, PE, BK40. LT, left. LT primitive turns the head of the turtle towards the left side. For example, LT90, enter, will turn the head of turtle 90 degrees towards left. RT, right. RT primitive turns the head of the turtle towards the right side. For example, RT45, enter, will turn the head of turtle 45 degrees towards the right. Home. Home. The home command brings the turtle to the center of the screen. For example, home, enter. HT, hide turtle. HT primitive orders the turtle to disappear from the screen. For example, HT, enter. ST, show turtle. ST primitive orders the turtle to reappear on the screen. For example, ST enter. CS clear screen. CS primitive clears the entire picture drawn in the main screen and brings the turtle to the center of the screen. For example, CS enter. CT clear text. CT primitive is used to clear the context of the text screen. For example, CT enter. Students, can you tell me the difference between CS and CT? PU pen up. This command orders the turtle to lift the pen up from the screen and move without drawing any line. For example, PU enter. PT pen down. This primitive orders the turtle to put the pen down on the screen and start drawing. For example, PD enter. Students, note that the pen down command is used only after pen up command to draw further. There is no need to mention any number after pen up and pen down commands. By. This command is used to exit logo. Type by in the command input box and click on Execute button. Students, know that the fact that last primitive is used to display the last character of the word and last word of the sentence. For example, God is great. Great. Now let us talk about the print command. Print is a very important primitive to display a letter, a number, a word or a sentence in the commander window. The print command can also be used for doing calculations. The short form of print is PR. It can take only one input at a time. To display any number, type print in the input box. Press the space bar key once and type the number. The number will be displayed as the output in the recall list box as shown in the figure. Let us understand printing a letter. To display a letter, type the print command. Leave one space, put double inverted comma, and then type a letter. Now press the Enter key. It will display that letter in the recall list box. The same method is also used to print any word. Now printing a sentence. The print primitive helps us to display any message on the screen. Type PR, press the space key, type the text within the square brackets, and press the Enter key. You can also display any message using underscore in between the words and enclosing the sentences in double quotes. Print first. This primitive is used to display the first word of a sentence given in square brackets and the first character of a word. Type print first, give space, put the quotation marks and type the word as shown in the figure. Now let us understand about calculations in Logo. Logo can also be used as a calculator. The print command is used to perform mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division using the operators plus, minus, multiplication, division respectively. Rules to follow. After typing print command, leave one space and then type the numbers with the desired operators. All the arithmetic operators take 2 inputs. Let us understand the use of print command for doing mathematical operations with the help of a given table. Print command. Print 6 plus 9. Output 15. Print 20 minus 8. Output 12. Print 12 plus 15 minus 4. Output 23. Print 10 into 3. Output 30. Print 34 divided by 2. Output 17. Let us learn about print command with mathematical functions. Besides basic arithmetic operators, we can also work with mathematical functions in Logo and make our work easy. Print sum. This function is used to add two or more numbers and display the result. Instead of giving the plus sign between the numbers, type print sum followed by two numbers. A space should be given between the numbers. To add more than two numbers, the operator sum along with the numbers has to be written within round brackets, as displayed in the figure. Okay, students, can you tell me that how should we write sum function while adding more than one number? Difference. This function is used to subtract two numbers. Instead of giving the minus sign between two numbers, type print difference followed by two numbers with a space between them. Product. This function finds the product of two numbers. The output is always displayed in the next line as shown in the figure. Quotient. This function accepts two values as input. It divides the first input number by the second input number and gives the quotient. Remainder. This function takes two values as input. It divides the first number by second number and displays only the remainder on the screen. Students, let us take a quick quiz. Which symbols are used with print primitive for multiplication and division? Alright children, let me explain you about print with logic operators. Logo can also work with many logical operators. To perform these logical operations, a set of special symbols are used. Equal to sign, greater than equal to, smaller, smaller than equal to, etc. Equal command. This command compares two numbers and checks whether both numbers are equal or not. The result of this comparison is either true or false. Greater than. This command compares two numbers. If the number on the left side of the operator is greater than the number on the right side, Logo displays the result as true. Otherwise, the result will be displayed as false. Less than. This command also compares two numbers. If the number on the left side of the operator is less than the number on the right side, Logo displays the result as true. Otherwise, the result will be displayed as false. Students, let's know more about Logo software. You can download the Logo software free of cost from this website. Let us quickly glance through the key points discussed in this chapter. Logo is a simple computer language used for drawing basic shapes and performing arithmetic calculations. Logo screen is divided into two sections, main screen and commander window. Print command is used to display a letter, word or a sentence on the screen. It is also used to perform calculations using mathematical and logical operators.